So this is a little deck in Burlington, Kentucky. Believe it or not, it's taken on a lot of mildew growth that's protected it from the sun. Mother Nature is weird that way. If you don't wash a deck system for several years, you'll start to get mildew growth and algae growth on it, and that stuff shields these boards from the full wrath of the sun. And this deck system was absolutely covered in it. You can see we're starting to wash it. We got the floor halfway cleaned. We have to go back over that again too, but we've got it cleaned to here. And that algae's done a really good job of protecting this, but it's got the pill that makes it better and at the same time makes it ill, right? Cute little deck system. The owner is acting in time to save this and bring it back and restore it. What we're going to do is we're going to clean all this off of here, do some repairs, put some cap rails on this, and then lock down encapsulation with Kong armor. 3 floor coats, 2 coats on all the rail systems. And what we'll do is we'll bring this little deck system to a full-bodied, thick, high stretch protection that will be able to put up with the movement of this deck in the future. And just a tough film, an armor film that's ready to take on abrasions and life. We'll pair it with lifetime limited warranty and lifetime service promise, and we'll bring this little bad boy back to life. Stand by.